Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 40. In the destruction of a family, the immemorial religious rites of that family perish. On the destruction of spirituality, impiety indeed overcomes the whole family.
Chapter 1, Shloka 40. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam krishnam adharmo vibhavatyuta.
In the previous shlokas, we saw Arjuna's confusion and the Kauravas' attitude. Here, Kauravas want to fight for the wrong reasons, and Arjuna doesn't want to fight for the wrong reasons. So this is a beauty. So in this shloka, he gives the argument what will happen if they fight. If they fight, Arjuna says the family units will die, and then the family traditions will be lost, and there'll be a cultural loss, there'll be a decadence in this society. Arjuna had learnt in his life that a family is a unit where the family traditions guide the right values. They are passed on from past generations to the future generation, and that gives strength to individuals, and that strong individuals make us a strong society. So this understanding is very good. But he is misusing this understanding for a wrong purpose. So this is where the Gita comes in. Gita wants to point out that Kauravas want to fight because they don't see any sin in the destruction of the family units, and they don't mind inflicting cruelties on friends. And here Arjuna doesn't want to fight, and because in spite of knowing what is right. So this dilemma in which we are, Gita says two wrongs cannot make right. So we have to do what is right, and we will now have more knowledge on this issue. Once we understand the nature of the problem, by understanding the symptoms, then the solution, the cure which Gita has got will be very useful for us to live our life. So we'll have more in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.